Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest digital tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling a straightforward yet essential Gmail feature: how to CC someone in an email. If you're new here, CC stands for carbon copy, which means you're sending a copy of your email to additional recipients who aren't the main focus but need to be in the know. This is perfect for keeping your team updated or looping in a colleague without making them the primary recipient. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. If you're using the web version, which is what we'll cover here, head over to gmail.com and sign in. Once you're in, click on the Compose button to start a new email. You'll see fields at the top: to, subject, and possibly CC and BCC. If the CC field isn't visible, don't worry. Just click on the downward arrow next to the To field, and it should expand to show CC and BCC options. Now, in the To field, type the email address of your primary recipient. That's the person you're mainly writing to. Next, click on the CC field and enter the email addresses of the people you want to carbon copy. You can add multiple addresses by separating them with commas. For example, if you're sending a project update to your boss and want to CC your team, put your boss in To and your teammates in CC. This way, everyone gets the email, but it's clear who's the main audience. Before you hit send, double-check your message for any errors and ensure you've got the right people in the right fields. One quick tip. Remember, CC is visible to all recipients, so use it for transparency. If you need to send a copy secretly, that's where BCC comes in. We'll cover that in another video. And just like that, you're all set. Hit the send button, and your email will go out to everyone. Using CC in Gmail is a game changer for professional communication, especially in 2025 with all the new integrations. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech how-tos, and hit that notification bell. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.